para sa inyo. Fancy meeting you alone in the crowd. Couldn't help but notice your smile, while everybody else around us is going about. Can we just stop and talk a while? I've been often told the world's growing old, and the friends are harder to find. Do tell me more about yourself. We could share who would mind. Maybe then we could go for a ride, drive down to the countryside, get away from the gray and fancy hurly-burly of the city lights. Early yet say what lies ahead is the birthday of the rest of our life. Can we just stop and talk a while, get to know each other, who we do know? Love will be waiting at the end, now the band and soul. Let's stop and talk a while. 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 Ay, balik sa trabaho na. Dali, takbo mo, Jerry. Good evening dyan, good morning dito. Ciao.